This video will guide you how to wear the Sorgen Premier Thigh Length Compression Stockings for compression levels 2 and 3. Take out the glider from the pouch and wear it on your leg. Now take the stocking in your hand with its heel facing down. Put your hand inside the stocking, facing your palm upwards. Hold the stocking top in the other hand and pull down, turning the stocking inside out, stopping at the heel. Remove your hand from inside. Stretch the stocking sideways at the heel. Slide your foot into the stocking. Grasping the top of the stocking, pull over the ankle and continue up the leg. Make sure that the heel of the stocking coincides with your heel. Adjust and straighten the stocking, making it fit smoothly as you go up, and remove wrinkles if any. After successfully wearing the stocking, simply pull the glider out. It is advisable to keep in mind the following tips while wearing your compression stockings. Number 1. Use of talcum powder is recommended for smooth and easy wear. Number 2. Please refrain wearing your stockings with long finger and toenails as they might damage the stockings. Please remove any kind of jewelry while wearing your compression stockings such as rings, bangles, anklets, etc.